Hi, this is Adam with Small Town Machine Shop. And today we're going to finish the bulk of the vertical milling machine project. So I got the motor, 2-horse motor, took the pulley off of this motor. This motor is just 5 RPM faster than the old one. So this pulley is roughly the same as that. As you saw in the last video, we got our bracket on there. I'm going to take some measurements, take the bracket off, weld the bracket on the backside there, and then remount the motor. I believe I got some jam nuts to reduce that distance a bit. Then we will look at a push setup to, tension the belt. And then I'll just measure it for a belt. And, we're pretty much there. Oh, I'm holding off on the cross braces to see if I actually need to put some in. I'm sure I will, but I want to get all this done first. So let me get the welder, get this guy off, take some measurements, and I'll bring you back. Okay, so we have the motor hinge plate figured up. Turns nice and good. Got it measured up here. Yes, it ended up being, I rose this an inch because I wanted to give myself more adjustment. So it is above there, and I'm not the super proudest of that, but there'll be plenty of weld to hold it. I'll just weld it on the back. No problem there. So we get the welder. Get this tacked in here so I get the clamps out of the way. And yeah. Then we'll remount the motor. Then we'll come over here and see about what we need to do to make a tensioner for it. So let me get you set up and you can watch me weld for a little bit. Okay, well, if you were having trouble imagining it before, here you go. So, the motor's mounted. The motor's loose. I gotta get loose enough to get it on. As you see, as I pull the motor out, that doesn't pop off. Tensions everything very nicely. It's around there. So now I know what size belt I need. And that's another good thing about these adjustable sheaves, is if you get a belt that's really, this is not crazy tight, but if it's not enough to pop over there, you can just unscrew this top plate completely and put the belt on and screw that down. So yeah, it's fitting nicely in that groove. This is the size belt I cut it for. You know, it's not all the way down in there. I'm not sure how this stuff is going to wear. You know, these motor laminations. But, yeah. Take a step back off my step stool. There we go. Let me walk around the side here. Sorry, I tried to rock and hold the camera at the same time. So now all we need to do is I have it set with that in a loose position. As you see, it gets tight very quickly. So, how should we tension this? Let me ponder this for a minute, and I'll bring you back. But yeah, super awesome progress. It's coming together. It's coming together. Okay, so I've done since then. I drilled a hole up there and up there, so now the bolt heads go through there. So that sits a lot flusher, looks a lot nicer. I'm going to hold off on putting my tensioner thing till I get the actual belt to see what size of belt I can get, to see how much I have to push that. I'm hoping I won't have to go like that much. So yeah, I'll go get the belt tomorrow. So the motor is mounted. The head is on. I dug up the stuff to wire it in. I'll put that together when I get the belt. I rounded up all the parts. So yeah, it's almost there. Almost there. Next video, it will be done. Very excited. Very cool. Yes, it is ridiculous, but it's going to be cool. This is Adam from Small Town Machine Shop. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.